Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Java JDK 21 on Windows for backend coding step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Oracle website. In the search bar, type Java JDK 21 download. Look for the link that directs you to the Java SE Development Kit 20. Once on the download page, find the section for Windows. You will see several download options. Choose the appropriate installer for your system type. If you're unsure, most users can select the .exe file. Click on the download link. A prompt may appear asking for consent to download. Confirm the download, and the installer will begin to download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded .exe file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the .exe file to start the installation process. A security warning may pop up. Click Yes to allow the installer to run. The Java installer will open. Click Next to move past the introduction screen. Review the license agreement and select Accept. Click Next to proceed. You will see an option to choose the installation path. You can either keep the default path or select a custom location. Once you have made your choice, click Next. The installer will now prepare to install Java JDK 21. Wait for the installation process to complete. When the installation is finished, click Close to exit the installer. To verify the installation, open the command prompt. Type Java version and press Enter. If installed correctly, you will see the Java version displayed. You've successfully installed Java JDK 21 on your Windows machine. Now you are ready to start backend coding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.